How to use LinkedIn Events feature step by step. To use the LinkedIn Events feature, first things first, you simply have to go ahead and launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Then tap on this pencil-like icon on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this, you simply have to now tap on the plus icon and then tap on this event option. From here, you can upload a cover image, and you can also select the event type, in person or online. You can also select the event format by adding external event links. Now you simply have to give your event a name and select the time zone, and also select the start date and the start time. You can also choose an ending date and ending time. Want to do this, fill in the descriptions on the bottom, then tap done at the top right corner, then proceed to post it. And this is how you can use the LinkedIn Events feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.